In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Asa Mukhtar Chima, and you're watching Bahawalpur TV. Have you ever noticed your fruits looking perfect and suddenly they split open before harvesting? This is called fruit cracking, and it can ruin your entire yield, particularly in crops like tomato, pomegranate, and citrus. But this problem can be completely avoided. In today's video, I'll show 5 practical and proven steps to avoid fruit cracking. So before we get on with today's video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share this video. So first thing is maintaining consistent soil moisture. When soil remains dry for a long period of time and then receives heavy watering, fruits absorb water quickly and the inside expands faster than the skin, which cause cracking. To avoid this, water plants on fixed schedule, not randomly. Avoid letting soil completely dry out. Use deep watering rather than the light daily watering. Drip irrigation is a good option for stable moisture. The second key thing is applying mulching. Mulching can stabilize soil moisture. Bare soil can lose moisture quickly, and mulching acts like a protective layer which keeps moisture consistent. Add at least 2 to 3 inch layer around the plant. Keep the mulch slightly away from stem. Dry leaves, straw, and grass clippings are good option for mulching. The next is strengthen fruit skin with proper nutrition. Add compost every 15 to 20 days. Use wood ash which is natural potassium source. Use crushed eggshell powder or gypsum as a calcium source. Protect plants from sudden weather changes. Cover plants during unexpected heavy rain. Use shade net in extreme heat. Ensure good drainage to avoid waterlogging. The next thing is harvesting time. Harvest at the right time and choose better varieties. Overripe fruits are more sensitive to water changes and cracking. So harvest as soon as they reach maturity. Avoid over ripening on the plant. Choose crack resistant varieties as much as possible. If you found this video informative and interesting, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share this video with your friends and family. And also let me know your thoughts, comments and questions related to gardening and plants in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.